recording.
I would appreciate it if you
It's
took the technical devices off my face. Thank you very much. You can see my buck teeth with that.
I'm enough now.
Oh, now how do you like it?
A lot. I got my teeth fixed by Tinker. Just kidding. He only touches me. He's my pediatrician. His name's Cocktail.
Ready? I'm gonna scare this car.
Oh! People were already.
Ready? She looked at you. Georgia, would you stop pressing your panic button here? I'd appreciate it if you please would you keep the camera at a distance. Stop that nonsense!
He's angry.
Angry Papa. Angry Tinker at 9 o'clock. Angry Tinker at 9 o'clock.
Let's get them.
He's coming.
No, he's pissed. No, they're getting in the Best Western thing.
Mother Cooper up. Okay,
Look, there's a person in a window.
Hi.
Hi. Click the button. They're probably wondering what that noise is.
We don't have any time.
I know. Click the button. That lady's watching.
Will you please take that camera off my face?
Will you please put it back?
She's watching.
I can't even see her. It's gonna rain.
It's not.
Yeah.
Over the top floor.
I said that my knot was to my boots.
What?
No. Yeah, my mom's womb.
With the B at the end?
Yeah.
You could try. Yeah, I don't think I can get all the way around, but oh well.
You could, but do you remember where we came from?
No.
I know it was down that way. Let's see what street is this here. This was a good video. Maybe I should end it.
You're still...
Yeah. Okay, say bye. Or not.